Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best mini PCs on Amazon in 2025. Mini PCs are becoming increasingly popular because they combine desktop-level performance with compact size, making them ideal for gaming, office work, home entertainment, or even education. In this video, we'll go through specifications, performance, pros, cons, and the best use cases for each model, so you can make an informed choice. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's start. Number 1. GMKtec Mini PC Gaming K6 AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS. Processor AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS. RAM 32GB DDR5 16GB x 2. Storage 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Connectivity dual NIC LAN 2.5 Gbps, USB 4, HDMI, DP, USB-C, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2. Purpose: gaming or high-performance computing. The GMKtec K6 is designed for gamers and power users. The Ryzen 7 7840HS provides excellent multi-core performance, capable of handling AAA games and demanding applications. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCI 4.0 SSD, loading times are minimal, and multitasking is effortless. Connectivity is another strong point. Dual NIC LAN at 2.5 Gbps is perfect for fast network gaming, and multiple ports, including USB 4 and HDMI, make connecting monitors and peripherals easy. Pros: high-performance Ryzen 7 processor, 32GB DDR5 RAM for multitasking, fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, excellent connectivity, USB 4, HDMI, DP, Wi-Fi 6E. Number 2. KAMRUI Pinova P1 AMD Ryzen 3 3300U. Processor AMD Ryzen 3 3300U, RAM 16GB DDR4, storage 256GB M.2 SSD, connectivity, triple 4K display support, USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet. The KAMRUI Pinova P1 is a compact mini PC perfect for office work and home entertainment. The Ryzen 3 3300U handles daily tasks such as web browsing, office applications, and video streaming smoothly. Supporting up to 3 4K monitors, it's excellent for multitasking and productivity setups. Its small form factor makes it ideal for classrooms, home offices, or HTPC setups for media playback. Pros: supports 3 4K monitors, compact and energy efficient, USB-C and full connectivity, good for business and education use. Number 3. Essenx E2 upgraded GK30 Plus 12th Gen Alder Lake N95. Processor, 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 up to 3.4 GHz. RAM, 16 GB. Storage, 512 GB M.2 SSD. Connectivity, HDMI plus DP 1.4 dual 4K UHD. Gigabit Ethernet. Use case, productivity, light gaming, home, office. The Essenx E2 offers excellent value with upgraded performance over the N100 series. The Alder Lake N95 processor provides smooth operation for daily tasks and moderate workloads. Dual 4K support via HDMI and DP makes it perfect for dual monitor setups at home or office. The 512GB SSD is fast and reliable for multitasking and storing large files. While not a gaming powerhouse, it handles casual gaming and productivity tasks well. Pros: powerful 12th Gen Alder Lake processor, dual 4K monitor support, fast 512GB SSD, compact desktop alternative. Number 4. GMKtec Mini PC Workstation Intel Core i9 13900HK. Processor Intel Core i9 13900HK up to 5.4 GHz. RAM 32GB DDR5. Storage 1TB SSD. Connectivity 8x USB ports, COM, HDMI, DP. Use case: high-performance workstation, office business. This mini PC workstation is a powerhouse for professionals. The Intel Core i9-13900HK can handle demanding software like Adobe Premiere, AutoCAD, and other high-performance applications. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD, it ensures smooth multitasking, fast storage access, and efficient workflow. It also offers extensive connectivity with multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort for multi-monitor setups. Perfect for businesses, content creators, or anyone who needs desktop-class performance in a compact package. Pros: top-end Core i9 processor, excellent multitasking performance, large storage and RAM, multiple ports for connectivity. Number 5. ACEMAGIC Vista V1 Twin Lake N150. Processor: Twin Lake N150 up to 3.6 GHz. RAM: 16 GB DDR4. Storage: 512 GB SSD. Connectivity: dual 4K display, HDMI, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LAN. The ACEMAGIC Vista V1 is a well-rounded mini PC for home or office. The Twin Lake N150 processor offers performance above the N100 N95 series, making it suitable for office work, streaming, and multitasking. Dual 4K display support allows for enhanced productivity and entertainment setups. It's compact, energy efficient, and comes with all the necessary connectivity options for a home or office environment. Pros: dual 4K monitor support, strong performance for its class, compact and versatile, good connectivity options. Best for gaming: the GMKtec Mini PC K6. Best for productivity or office: the KAMRUI Essenx E2 or ACEMAGIC Vista V1. Best all-rounder: GMKtec Mini PC Workstation. Best budget mini PC: the KAMRUI Pinova P1. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize gaming, office productivity, or home media use. Thank you for watching. All product links are in the description for the latest prices and availability. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on which mini PC you want us to review next.